There are several ways to earn money from YouTube once you have an established and active channel. Here are some of the most common methods. Number 1. Ad revenue. YouTube Partner Program (YPP). The YouTube Partner Program allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your videos. You receive a share of the advertising revenue generated from your video views. To qualify for the YPP, you must meet specific eligibility requirements, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Number 2. Channel memberships. You can offer channel memberships to your viewers for a monthly fee. Subscribers who join your channel as members get access to exclusive perks like badges, custom emojis, and members-only content. Number 3. Merchandise shelf. If you sell merchandise related to your channel or brand, you can use the merchandise shelf feature to showcase your products below your videos. Viewers can click on the merchandise and make purchases. Number 4. Super Chat and Super Stickers. During live streams or premiere videos, viewers can purchase Super Chat messages or Super Stickers to highlight their messages in the chat. Creators receive a portion of the revenue from these purchases. Number 5. Sponsored content. Brands may pay you to create content that promotes their products or services. This can include product reviews, sponsored videos, or integrations within your regular content. Ensure that sponsored content is disclosed and complies with YouTube's policies. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. You can include affiliate links in your video descriptions. When viewers click on these links and make a purchase, you earn a commission from the sale. Always disclose when a link is an affiliate link. Number 7. Crowdfunding. Patreon, Ko-fi, etc. Some creators use crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi to receive direct financial support from their audience. In return, they offer special perks or rewards to their supporters. Number 8. Sell digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, presets, or templates related to your content niche. Number 9. Public speaking and consultation. Building a strong online presence through YouTube can lead to opportunities for public speaking engagements, consulting, or workshops in your niche. Number 10. Fan donations. YouTube Live. During live streams, viewers can make donations to support your channel. This is similar to a virtual tip jar and can be a source of income during live events. Number 11. License your content. You can license your videos or footage to media outlets, filmmakers, or other content creators looking for specific content. Number 12. Selling physical products. Some YouTubers with a strong brand or following may sell physical products related to their content, such as clothing, merchandise, or accessories. Successful YouTube channel and earning a substantial income usually takes time and dedication. It's essential to focus on creating valuable, engaging, and high-quality content that resonates with your audience.